Hey guys, welcome to Adventures of Dominic. Hey Daddy, my dog is nice now.
Your doggy's nice now?
Yeah, George.
Oh, hey George. Wow, he is nice. Look, I can even put my fingers in his mouth and he's not even biting us. That is so nice. I'm glad he's nice. Ah, he's just kidding, huh?
Guess what?
You got him trained good.
Yeah, guess what?
What?
I took all the sharp teeth out and then put all the good teeth in, so he can't hurt anyone.
Oh, but you also trained him really good now, huh?
Really good.
So he don't even bite anybody anymore. That's good. I'm glad. He is a good dog. Look. Oh wait. Boy, he has a big tongue. My goodness. Oh, what? He's licking my face.
You know why?
What? Hey, oh, he's licking your face
You know
too.
why he's in
Why?
the office? It's because he likes us.
Yeah, you're right. He gives big kisses.
Guys, I'm gonna make him even really like. There's something here that
Oh,
kisses.
let's see. Man. Hey, Dominic, he got me all slobbery. That's okay, though.
Yeah, anyways.
We'll just wash it off. He's a good dog.
Really good dog.
That's good. I'm glad you have a good friend like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna train him, guys, in front of you guys. You wanna see?
You're gonna what?
Train him.
Oh, train him. Okay, yeah.
Sit. Bing. Look, he sit.
Yeah.
You wanna cheat? You wanna cheat? Good.
Gulp.
Boy, good boy.
Good job.
Okay, now
He is a
lay
good.
down. Good boy.
Good job.
He cheats.
Good job.
Okay, now we'll go.
Oh, he does all kinds of tricks.
Yeah.
You did. You must.
Boy, cheat.
Dominic, you trained him really good.
Yeah.
Great job, man.
Now I can even put my head in here.
Oh my goodness. That's really neat.
Yeah.
He's really gentle and friendly now. You did a great job training him. Give me 5. That's a good job. Now anybody can come over and he won't hurt him. He'll just love him
Yeah.
and lick him up, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for checking us out with George. And he's doing good now. So no more eating anybody or chewing on anybody. So thank you so much for watching, and we appreciate your love and sharing this video with your friends. You know, as we're sort of starting out the channel here, right, Dominic?
Yeah, and thank you for
So,
showing up. And
yeah.
Make sure you subscribe from our channel. And make sure you push the button that's just right up there. Bye.
Take care now.